Today I'm going to walk you through how to save a copy of a class notebook for future use. When you log into Office 365, you're going to open up OneNote and roll over to Class Notebooks. You're going to choose the notebook that you would like to save. And so if you have similar content in each section, then we only need to save one of each section. You'll hit the three dots, and all the way at the bottom will be Save a Copy. So once I save a copy, you have two options, and we're going to choose Save to your work school account. Once you've clicked it, you will get a message that says, great, we're copying this section of the notebook to the Documents folder in your OneDrive. So once it's copied over, you can go to your OneDrive, and in your files, there's now a folder that is called Notebooks. And so if you click on this, all of your saved notebooks will be here for you to access. So no matter what happens with PowerSchool, when it's rolled over, what happens in Teams, you will now have a backup of this notebook saved in your OneDrive that you can import into any future class notebook.